we are also making carne asada, Mexican grilled beef. You buy the beef at the Mexican store. They know how to cut it, and they're cut very thin pieces of very soft meat. And what we do is we always like to use red meat for this. So we go ahead and lightly salt it, and then we'll go ahead and put lime juice. I usually let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I will go ahead and put it on a hot grill along with other vegetables and peppers to enjoy the carne asada. This is very traditional Sunday type of Mexican meal. It can be served for lunch, sometimes even for breakfast, and of course for dinner. We have the grill very hot, about 500 degrees, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to be roasting peppers and Mexican onions. As the meat is cooking, we turn it, and we also turn the peppers to get an even roast. Okay, now it's time to taste. We have everything put together. I have added pinto beans, Mexican beans with chorizo, and hot salsa, the 3-pepper salsa brava. So we have salsa brava, jalapenos roasted, huerito peppers roasted, onion, carne asada, and guacamole. And of course, tortillas, Mexican tortillas. So how do we eat this? Very carefully. We'll try to grab a little bit of everything, and delicious. The combination of this is unbelievably good. I highly recommend it. Sabroso.